Welcome to RJ classes, and today's topic, that is the plane mirror. Now come, plane mirror. So what is the plane mirror? A flat reflecting surface. What kind of flat reflecting surface? So any of the surface, if it is flat or if reflect the light properly, so that surface is said to be the plane mirror. That is said to be plane mirror. So we got the definition of the plane mirror, that the any flat reflecting surface that is capable of reflecting the light is said to be the plane mirror. So plane mirror we understood. So now today we will understand how the plane mirror forms image, the formation of image by the plane mirror, and there are the two categories of the formation of the image by the plane mirror. One is the point source and other is the extended source. So two kind of image formation we will learn today, and how to do the ray diagram of the plane mirror. So one is the point source. What kind of diagram? So one is the point source object, and other is the extended source, and after that we will discuss about the characteristic of the image formed by a plane mirror, lateral inversion, some terms are there. But first of all, we start with a ray diagram, and that is the ray diagram of the point source, and then we will do the extended source. The point source, we have a mirror this one surface is reflecting, other surface is painted, so that the ray of light will not ray of light will not pass from the one surface to the other surface, it will get reflected back. Okay, so the first diagram we need to understand, we are going to learn about the point source. So we have a point source, object, and in order to do the ray diagram, from each and every point, from each and every sources of an object, two rays must travel. So I am taking two rays from this point source whenever we will do the ray diagram. So in order to do the ray diagram, whether it is point source or extended source, that doesn't matter, from each and every point two rays will be taken. So the two rays from this point, I am taking two rays from this one ray and the one ray. Okay, this one. So the two rays from the point, this one, the point source object. So from this point source of the object, two rays has been taken. The two rays from this point strike on the mirror, and after striking, obviously it will get reflected. Obviously the plane mirror, after reflection, they will get reflected like this one. That means in front of the mirror they will never meet each other, they will never intersect each other. That means they will never form an image in front of the mirror. So we have the only one option to extend it backward. So whenever they are extended backward, so I am extending it backward. So when they are extended backward, they will appears to meet at a particular point, and means wherever they will meet, at that point the image of the object will form. So this one will be the image, of this particular point. So simply what we will have to do nothing. We will have to take object, whether it is the point source object, whether it is the extended source object. From each and every point, take two rays of light. The two rays of light traveling from that particular point will strike on the mirror. After striking, it will get reflected. They will never intersect each other in front of the mirror. Produce it backward, and while doing so, you will observe that the two rays of light, while producing backward, appears to meet at a particular point, and wherever they will meet, that will be the position of the formation of the image. So we have this one is the point source, so this one is the image of point source. Now we are taking an extended source object. Now again this one mirror. Now this one extended source object, this time we are taking this object. Okay, so from each and every point two rays of light will travel, but if you are taking that much of rays of light, it will make you some messy. So we are taking two rays only from the one position, this position and this position, to represent, to symbolize that from every point it will behave in the same manner. So the two rays of light from this point, this one, after reflection the two rays of light from this point, again we have taken. Now so after this one they will get reflected. Now after reflection they will never intersect each other. So I am going to produce it backward. So produce it backward. As you will produce it backward means pen and scale, if you are using pencil and scale, so you will get it proper position, at proper position. So they will appear to meet at this point. Again they will get reflected and they will never intersect each other in front of the mirror. On producing backward they will again appears to meet at a particular point. They appears to meet at a particular point, and again in same manner from this point, rays of light will get reflected. On producing backward they will appears to meet at the same point. So this one is the image of the object taken. So in this manner the point source and the extended source image can be produced using the plane mirror. Okay, so image formation that we understood. After image formation, now quality of the image, the characteristic of the image formed by the plane mirror. The first characteristic, the first, image is always virtual. Okay, so no need to write any admiss point that you cannot remember. Simply keep yourself in front of the mirror. Whatever the observation you are seeing there, whatever the observation you make there, so that observation only write in your answer. So whenever you keep yourself in front of the mirror, there are the many things that you can observe. The first thing, that is the virtual. That means your image that is in mirror that you are seeing, you are not able to take it on any screen. You cannot take it on any screen. That means that image is virtual. So virtual, that means it is the upright, erect. So second thing, upright, erect. Second thing, it is laterally inverted. What is laterally inverted? There are two types of inversion in case of light. One is the lateral inversion, one is the lateral inversion, and other is the vertical inversion. Lateral and the vertical. So the lateral inversion, whenever the left seems to be the right and the right seems to be left, that means the left, right, and the right seems to be left of an object when in its image it is said to be the vertical. It is said to be the lateral inversion. So the phenomenon of appearing left to be the right and the right to be the left of an object in its image is said to be the lateral inversion. And the one is the vertical, when the top at bottom and the bottom at top, that is said to be the vertical. That means your top at the bottom place and the bottom at the top place. So that is said to be the vertical inversion. So there are the two types of inversion. So in case of the plane mirror, the first thing, the characteristic, that is the image form will be the virtual, obviously. The second one, the image formed is laterally inverted. What kind of? Laterally inverted. I am going to write only those points which you can observe while keeping yourself in front of the mirror. So laterally inverted. Third one, image is of the same size as the object. That means size of the image will exactly same as the size of the object. Your face, as long as it will appear same in a mirror. So that is the same size. So image will be of the same size as the object. And the next point, I am not going to write much more point. The next point, only last point. So that is, the image will be at the same distance from the mirror as the object is in front of the mirror. Suppose we have the mirror and the object is at a distance of 10 centimeter from the mirror, or it is 1 meter in front of the mirror. This one is the mirror, An object has been kept in front of at a distance of 1 meter from the mirror. So image will form behind the mirror at a distance of 1 meter only. That means distance of the object, distance of the image from the mirror will be same as the distance of the object is from the mirror. So these are the plane mirror. This is the क्या जाएगा means we learn two means ways to form the image by the using the plane mirror, and again the characteristic of the image formed by the plane mirror. In the next video means we will do some topics, but before finishing my video we can cover some more topics. We can cover one more topic, that is the we have in your book speed of light, usage of plane mirror. Okay, so plane mirror is used at many of the places. First of all, in our houses plane mirrors are used as a dressing mirror, to prepare ourselves to, that is the use of plane mirror. Kaleidoscope, periscope, kaleidoscope, that completely use of the plane mirror. Periscope, that is at a particular angle their plane mirror are used, and using that arrangement we can see the object which are generally not able to see, we are not able to see, and which are at a distance depth. So that is the use of periscope. So periscope, kaleidoscope, at these places plane mirror can be used. So these are the conditions of the plane mirror and image formed by the plane mirror. And we have lateral inversion, we have completed, characteristic completed. Apparent size, that is the spectrum. Okay, so in this video this much is only, and we are the completely different topic that cannot be messed with this one. So in next video we will do the next topic.